Hello, parents and students. Welcome to Career Management. My name is Patricia Richardson, and if you would wait just a moment, I'd like to share my screen with you so I can give you some important information pertaining to our class. As I stated, my name is Patricia Richardson. I'm a 12th year teacher here at JBHS High School. During our virtual learning, my tutoring sessions will go Tuesday through Thursday from 3 to 3:30. When we return to school, we'll adjust the time from 3:45 to 4:15. Please email me to schedule an appointment if you're going to be in our virtual classroom for tutoring, so I'll make sure I'm available. Career management has three essential standards. Essential standard one is understand personal social development. Essential standard one has 4 objectives. And during these objectives, you'll take several interest inventories, personality and aptitude tests. You'll work on your positive self-concept, interpersonal skills, time management, and life balance as it relates to school and home life. Essential standard 2 is understand educational achievement and lifelong learning. Essential standard 2 has 2 objectives. And during these objectives, you'll focus on educational goals and performance you want to achieve for success. You'll research educational requirements and resources for your career goals. Essential standard 3 is the meat of our curriculum, which is understanding career management. Essential standard 3 has 8 objectives. And during these objectives, you'll do most of your research concerning your chosen career based on your self-discoveries and educational goals and requirements learned in Essential Standards 1 and 2. You'll use several resources to deep dive into your chosen career and acquire knowledge of education and training requirements needed to enter the chosen career field. You'll research and choose a specific college, university, trade school, or military program to attend and discover the programs and resources they have available for you to succeed. You'll research changing employment trends, economic conditions, and societal needs to ensure that your chosen career will still be in demand 10 years from now. There is a textbook for this class. It's called From School to Work. It's the 8th edition. I do have a digital copy of the textbook, and I will post the individual chapters as needed for assignments to I'll post them to Canvas or Google Classroom. We're going to use some remote learning platforms. Google Meet, which most of us used starting in March when we had to close school because of COVID. So we'll have our live meets on Google Meet. We'll also have assignments on Google Classroom, which most of you, I think, are familiar with, but we're also rolling out Canvas this year. So we will go back and forth between Google Classroom and Canvas for all of our assignments to complete them and turn them in. All students will be required to complete a virtual career portfolio presentation as their end of course project. I'll give you your requirements at the beginning of the second quarter, and we'll also have a Q&A session as a class prior to anybody beginning the project. We don't want anybody to have any misunderstanding or not get the correct information. So this project is very important. It's your end of course project, and it will count as 3 test grades. So we want everybody to have all the information they need so they can do their very best on their project. For remote learning, your supply list is you need a laptop or desktop computer, you need internet access, you need headphones or earbuds, you need a 3-ring binder, you need 1 set of tab dividers, you need loose leaf paper, writing utensils, highlighters, a basic calculator, and a flash drive. It's optional, but highly recommended. When we return to the classroom, you'll still need that 3-ring binder, your tab dividers, loose leaf paper. You'll also need a composition book. You'll need pencils and pens. You'll still need earbuds, not headphones, just earbuds. You'll need a pencil pouch, the kind with the holes in it that you can fasten in your binder, and of course that optional flash drive. You don't worry about the classroom supply list until we get a definite date of when we're actually going to return to the classroom. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email me at patriciarichardson@ccs.k12.nc.us. I hope everyone could understand my presentation, and I'm looking forward to having a productive and successful and exciting semester. I'll see you soon.